Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the second part of the sum and difference identities. We said that we have sometimes to find the cosine of alpha plus beta or cosine alpha minus beta or sine alpha minus beta or alpha plus beta. And also tangent alpha minus beta or tangent alpha plus beta. If the difference or the sum is not a special angle or quadrantal, sometimes we need to use the sum or difference identities. In this part, we are going to find sine alpha minus beta, cosine alpha plus beta, tangent alpha minus beta, given that tangent alpha equal to minus 4/3. And alpha is in the second quadrant. And also tangent of beta equal to 15/8, where beta is in the third quadrant. Now to find sine alpha minus beta, we know that sine alpha minus beta is equal to sine alpha cosine beta minus cosine alpha sine beta. But we can see that sine alpha is not given in the question. Cosine beta is not given. Same thing, cosine alpha is not given and sine beta is also not given. So I have to find sine alpha, cosine beta, cosine alpha, and sine beta. From what's given in the question, we are given tangent alpha equal to minus 4/3. Given tangent alpha equal to minus 4/3. And alpha is in the second quadrant. Let's say this will be alpha, or the reference of alpha. Actually, this is alpha. But I can say alpha like this, or because these are equal to the reference angle, I will say alpha is in the second quadrant. We know that alpha or tangent is y/x. In the second quadrant, x is negative and y is positive. So I can say y or x will be minus 3, x equal to 3, but it is in the second quadrant, so we can say x equal to minus 3 and y is equal to 4. Y is positive and x is negative. From x and y, we can find r. We know that r equal to x squared plus y squared, which is equal to 9 plus 16. This will give me square root of 25, which is equal to 5. So r is equal to 5. Now from r, x, and y, I can find sine alpha and cosine alpha. We know that sine alpha is y/r. That will be y is equal to 4/5. So this is sine alpha. Cosine alpha is x/r, which is equal to minus 3/5. So I have sine alpha and cosine alpha. Now next step, I need to find sine beta and cosine beta. Given tangent beta is equal to 15/8, and beta is in the third quadrant. So let's find the sine and cosine of beta. This is beta in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, we have x is negative and y is negative. And we are given tangent beta equal to 15/8, which is y/x. So y or x equal to minus 8 and y equal to minus 15. Both of them are negative in the third quadrant. We have to be careful about the sign of these values. Now I have x, I have y, we can find r. R is equal to square root of x squared plus y squared, which is equal to minus 8 squared is 64, minus 15 squared is 225. This will be square root of 289, which is equal to 17. So the value of r is equal to 17. Now I have r, I have x, I have y. You can find sine and cosine for beta. So sine of beta, which is equal to y over r. This is y equal to minus 15 over r, which is equal to 17. And cosine beta, which is x over r, equal to minus 8 over 17. Now I have everything. I have sine alpha, cosine beta, or sine alpha, cosine alpha, sine beta, cosine beta. We can find sine alpha minus beta. So number one, or A, I need to find sine alpha minus beta, which is equal to sine alpha cosine beta minus cosine alpha sine beta. This is equal to sine alpha, we said, let's go back to see it. Sine alpha equal to 4 over 5. Cosine alpha is minus 3 over 5. And we have sine beta and cosine beta. So sine beta is 4 over 5. Can I make it smaller just to see it? This will be 4 over 5 multiplied by cosine beta, which is minus 8 over 17, minus cosine alpha, it is minus 3 over 5 multiplied by sine beta, which is minus 15 over 17. And this will give me 4 times minus 8 is minus 32 over 85 minus with this will give me positive, and with negative it will be minus 3 times 15 is 45 over 85, which is equal to minus 77 over 85. So the value is minus 77 over 85. Now for the second part, which is cosine alpha plus beta, or cosine alpha minus beta, is given alpha plus beta. Number 2, or second part. B, we need to find cosine alpha plus beta, which is equal to cosine alpha cosine beta minus sine alpha sine beta. Now cosine alpha equal to, we say it is minus 3 over 5 multiplied by cosine beta. Cosine beta is minus 8 over 17 minus sine alpha, which is 4 over 5 multiplied by sine beta, which is equal to minus 15 over 17. This will give me 3 times 8 is 24 over 85 minus with minus will be plus 60 over 85. So 24 plus 60 will give me 84 over 85. This is positive. Last one, we need to find tangent of alpha minus beta. Tangent alpha minus beta is given by 1, or tangent alpha minus tangent beta divided by 1 plus tangent alpha multiplied by tangent beta. And this will give me, it's given in the question, tangent alpha is negative and tangent beta is positive, but tangent alpha is given to be 4 over 3, or minus 4 over 3. Over 3, this is tangent alpha, minus tangent beta, this is 15 over 8, over 1 plus tangent alpha, which is minus 4 over 3 multiplied by tangent beta, which is 15 over 8. This is equal to minus 4. We can combine the denominator. I will have minus 30, 2 minus 45 over 24, and this will be 1 plus, or I can say this is 24 down, because I have 8 times this is 24 times 1, I will have 24 minus 60 divided by 24. This 24 will cancel this 24. Then I will have minus 32 minus 45 is minus 77 over 24 minus 60 is minus 36. Or it can be written as 77 over 36. So this is the value of the tangent alpha minus beta. So if we know one of the trigonometric function, sine, cosine, and in which quadrant that the angle is given, we can find sine alpha minus beta, cosine alpha plus beta or minus beta, and tangent alpha minus beta or tangent alpha plus beta. All what we need to find the 6 trigonometric functions, sine alpha, cosine beta, sine beta, tan alpha, tangent beta, and apply it for the sum or difference identities.